Good afternoon, boys and girls. You are welcome back to our biology class. This is Wanies Academy, and today I want to treat the topic stem cells. By the end of the lesson, we will be able to define stem cells and explain their importance. We will be able to identify the main characteristics of stem cells. Stem cells are special cells in our body that can develop into different cell types. They can manifest various cells that perform specific functions in the body of living organisms. Stem cells can be found in the body of multicellular animals like humans. They can also be called master cells because they aid in the repair and replacement of some worn-out cells. We can also call them proteins, which are responsible for the replacement of some worn-out cells, and they are responsible for some growth in the body of organisms. Let's look into some characteristics of cells. Stem cells have the ability to differentiate. Now, they can differentiate into various cells. They can expand to form various cells like the muscle cell, the blood cell, or the nerve cell. So stem cells in the body of living organisms, animals, can differentiate to form the cells I mentioned earlier. They also have the ability to self-renew, so they can replicate themselves. They can make copies of themselves, allowing them to replenish or to replace worn-out tissues in the body of organisms. So they can replicate or make some copies of themselves in the replacement or repair of some worn-out tissues in the body of living organisms. Let's see some importance of stem cells. One, they help the body grow and develop. Protein is an essential nutrient that aids in repair of worn-out cells and also help in the growth and development of the body tissues and cells. They can also repair damaged tissues and organs in the body. Take, for example, there's a very special organ in the body of man that can replace itself, that can repair itself when damaged, like the liver cells. So stem cells can repair damaged tissues and organs in the body. They can be potentially used to treat diseases and injuries. They can be used to treat diseases and injuries. Take, for example, when one has a very, very deep cut on the thigh. So the cells of the skin from another part of the body can be removed or opened to cover and treat the injury caused by the previous cell. Now let's see some types of stem cells. Don't forget, I said stem cells are cells that can develop into different cells in the body of living organisms. They can also help to repair or replace some damaged cells in the body. Let's see some types of stem cells in the body. We have the embryonic stem cells. Embryonic stem cells are found in reproductive cells. An embryo is formed from the fertilization of an egg cell, and a sperm cell. So the fertilization of egg cell and sperm cell leads to the formation of embryo. So an embryo is a special type of stem cell. The hematopoietic stem cells are also good examples. The hematopoietic stem cells are found in the bone marrow. Now, blood cells and corpuscles are produced in the bone marrow. We also have the mesenchymal stem cells. The mesenchymal stem cells are also found in the bone marrow. They are found in some fatty tissue layers of the body, and they're also found in the umbilical cord. The umbilical cord links the unborn baby to the mother. Nutrients from the mother is diffused through the umbilical cord to the unborn baby. So the mesenchymal stem cells are also type of stem cell. We also have the neural stem cells, which can be found in the brain and the spinal cord. The brain is a major coordinating part of the body of living organisms, while the spinal cord is an extension of the brain. The spinal cord controls most reflex actions in the body of humans, like knee jerk and blinking of the eye at bright lights. We also have epithelial stem cells, which are found in the skin, in the gut, and other epithelial tissues. Epithelial tissues are tissues that covers the cells of internal organs or external organs. Like the cells, the outermost cell of the skin is covered by the epidermis, which is an epithelial tissue. You have the muscle stem cells, which are found around the skeletal muscles. Skeletal muscles are the muscles that are attached to the skeleton to enable easy movement of the various parts of the body of living organism. So muscles are attached to bones by the means of tendon to enable us lift our hands, to enable us twist our neck or walk from one place to another. The muscle stem cell is also known as cellular stem cell. They are cells that are linked to the skeletal system to aid movement in the body. And lastly, we have the dental stem cells. The dental stem cells are found in our teeth and dental tissue. The teeth solidify by the process known as ossification. Our teeth is formed from potassium and calcium nutrients in the blood. So the dental stem cells are also found in the teeth and dental tissues. The teeth helps the mastication or breaking down of solid food particles in the body of living organisms. So those are the various types of stem cell. Now, like I said earlier, stem cells are specialized cells in the body that can develop into different cell types, which we have mentioned, like the epithelial cells, the muscle stem cells, the mesenchymal stem cells, the embryonic stem cells found in the embryo of living organism. And I say stem cells have the characteristics of differentiation. So it can differentiate into different type of cell to perform specific functions or role in the body of a living organism. It also have the ability to self-renew or self-regenerate. And major importance of the stem cell is it helps the body grow and develop. So it helps in the growth and development aspect of the body of organism. It can also help to repair damaged tissue and organ, and it can also serve as a potential to treating some diseases and injuries in the body. Thank you for listening. Till we meet next time, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Bye.